Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some very easy peasy and some very basic hairstyle for college and office going girls. So I haven't used any straightener or I haven't used any product on my hair because I wanted to show you guys how these hairstyle looks like on normal hair. Because I know most of the college girls don't have time to style their hair because they're always in a rush. But before we get into the video, I would like you guys to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will get notified. Without further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video. So this first hairstyle is very easy. Just part your hair from any side and then take all your hair at the back of your head and secure them in a low ponytail. Just leave some hair strands at the front so that it will look more natural and effortless. After that, just go ahead and loosen this up a little bit so that it will look much better. You can also pull out a couple of pieces of hair around your ear to make it look more natural. So this is the complete simple side part low ponytail. For this next hairstyle, I'm just going to part my hair from the middle. Then I'm just going to take a last section of my hair right next to my hairline and will start twisting them away from my face, taking all the section of my hair at the back of my head and secure them properly. Next I'm going to repeat the same with the other side section of my hair. Then I'm going to take this other section of my hair. I'm going to do the same, twisting it away from my face and securing it at the back of my head. Repeat the same process on the other side and then grab all your hair and secure it in a high ponytail. Pull out some hair around your ear to make this hairstyle look much better. For this next hairstyle, just part your hair from the side and taking one whole section at a time, start twisting your hair away from your face and just secure them at the back of your head. Repeat this whole process with the other section of your hair. Don't worry, the messier the hair looks, the much better the hairstyle will look. Pull out some hair to make it look more natural and messy. Next, just grab all your hair and secure it in a low ponytail. For this next hairstyle, just part your hair from the side, leave some strand from the face and just twist one side of your hair at the back of your head. Take all your hair to the other side and start braiding them in a ponytail. Secure the loosened part of your hair with some bobby pins and make it look more messier so that it will look more natural. You can loosen up your braid by pulling out some hair from the ponytail so that it will look more thick and messier. So this last hairstyle is the most easy peasy one. Just roughly take the front section of your hair with the help of your finger and secure it with some bobby pins on the top of your head. And just roughly with the help of your hand, take all your hair and tie it in a high ponytail. Don't worry, you don't have to go all clean with this look. This hairstyle will look much better if it is a little messy. Again, pull out some hair from the ponytail to make it look more natural. I don't know, I just love pulling out some hair from my ponytail or my bun to make it look more natural and much better, because I don't like that chiku kind of hairstyle or ponytail. So yeah guys, those were very easy and basic hairstyle for office and college going girls. And these hairstyles are not very highly creative hairstyles with some braids going on here and there. These are some very basic hairstyles that you can just do within a minute. And yeah guys, I'm going to upload your requested videos very soon, so don't worry about that. And if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down and let me know which hairstyle you guys like the most. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.